How to fix Minecraft Dungeons network issue on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix Minecraft Dungeons network issue on Windows 10. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Check for updates, GPU, graphics and third-party programs or software, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Moreover, perform clean boot and see whether some program interfered with the Minecraft files. 3. Power cycle Wi-Fi router, if any. 4. Check Minecraft server status via the official Mojang Twitter at https://twitter.com/mojangsupport. 5. Repair Mojang game files. 6. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the Minecraft from the scratch.